In this video, we will learn what a traffic match rule is and how to add a traffic match rule. A traffic match rule is a set of traffic match criteria created and saved in the MyAryaka traffic match rules page. A traffic match rule can have source IP, source port, destination IP, destination port, protocol, and TOS, or type of service as match criteria. Furthermore, DNS and SNI and DPI lookups are also supported. For example, if you need to redirect traffic of users from the marketing department in the San Francisco site to the internet, you should create a traffic match rule to identify such traffic and map it to the local policy on the ANAP in the San Francisco site. The San Francisco ANAP will match the originating traffic from the marketing department and redirect the traffic to the internet. To add a traffic match rule, log into the MyAryaka portal. First, make sure that you have read-write access as a user in the MyAryaka portal. Go to the Config tab. Click on the traffic match rules and click on Add. Add the source subnet, destination subnet as per the requirement. In this example, I will be adding the source IP and then submit the request. You will see the recently added rule in the provisioning state, which means a configuration request has been handed off to the Aryaka change orchestration system. Aryaka's change orchestration system will validate the request and make the customer requested changes. As soon as the changes are made, you should see the rule in the configured state. Thank you for watching the video.